friends. I'm going to show you the dried and varnished result of the video you're about to watch. It was another attempt at the Dump and Swirl. I used my Polycrylic mix rather than just Floetrol, just because I had some left over, and I think it worked well as far as keeping nice round cells. I mean, I'm very happy with the appearance of some of these pearls here. I didn't touch them up in any way. That's how it dried. But I think that I lost some of my colors, and I've got to figure out why that is. When you see all that I added, you'll be surprised, because pretty much is just a purple painting now. And the other thing was, I don't think I had enough black, the dump color, because I had to really tilt a lot to get coverage down here, and then it left this kind of stripy look in this area. So overall, you know, it's okay. I'm going to try it again, be a little more careful about my color choices. But I think my my consistencies were okay, because as I said, this is the telling point, the way these turn out. And I'm happy with that, but I don't think I had enough black. So that being said, now let's get to the video and you can watch how I created this. Hello, my friends. I'm going to attempt another Dump and Swirl painting today. The last one I did, I meant to show it to you, but I'll just tell you what happened. It's not within arm's reach here. I think I left too much of the black on. And also, it wasn't a really good quality canvas. There was a lot of give in it. And so the paint, all the paint kind of went to the center and distorted the cells. It wasn't bad, even that way. I didn't hate it, but I did learn that I need to be sure to dump a lot of the black off. And now I have a better, more firm canvas here that I'm going to be working on. So we'll see what happens. I'm thinking that maybe the polycrylic mix makes nice cells because of the polycrylic and the glue in there. I'll put down below the recipe exactly what I did. So and then I thinned it down a lot with water. So my colors today are Modern Masters and Cool Mint, and I'll try to show you the consistency in here. It just goes straight in, doesn't leave much of a trail at all, not really a mound. Then I've got Treasure Gold and Purple Topaz, mixed just the same consistency. Treasure Gold in Aquamarine, beautiful color. Treasure Gold in Antique Copper, it's a very interesting color, kind of purpley copper. And lastly, I have gray, blue-gray. It's an opaque color, matte finish in Liquitex. I just thought for fun I would add that. All right, and my dump paint is Artist Loft Black, and I made it a little bit thinner than the colors. So here we go. I think I'll do 2 layers of each color. You can hopefully see how very thin it is as I pour it into the puddle. Yeah. Try to get it all out. I I haven't really gotten enamored with this technique, not because I don't think it looks really interesting, but you have to pour so much paint off the canvas that it just rubs me the wrong way. But I am determined to get a nice effect, or try to have a successful one, so I'm going to try a little more. Okay, that's all my colors. Now, black, I only have about 7 ounces here. I hope that's enough for this big old canvas. As I said, the black, I think, is a little bit thinner than these other colors. Okay, here we go. I think I'll cover up all the colors first. Off the corners we go. It's not moving as fast as I would like it to. Either I don't have enough paint on here or it's a little thick once again. I think I'm a little skimpy on the paint. I think that's what it is. Not quite enough of the black this time. But maybe I don't know. My cat's trying to get in here. No, Leia. Well, I don't like the looks of those things in the middle at all. I don't think there's much else to tilt off. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with a torch. And then we'll just let it sit. I don't like those at all, but if it fills in, they'll get lost in there. It's weird how I got this stripy thing, probably because I was dragging so much paint down. Oh well. I'm just going to let the camera run, and I'll check back in about half an hour, 45 minutes, and we'll see what we got. Okay, my friends, it's been 50 minutes. I think this is about all we're going to get out of it. I am okay with it. My colors just pooped out on me, though. Pretty much that purple took over, but it reminds me of Heather, this part. And this is the only part I really don't care for, is these stripy parts, and that had to have happened when I was tilting to get the black off this corner. I'll have to watch it back again, but maybe I should have just quickly boom, 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 all four corners. Maybe I went too slow with that. But really, I'm very happy with the appearance of the pearly-like cells around this area and over here. It's just here, they're not even bad, but they're very stripy. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I had turned this light off because there's a glare there, but so that's the part I don't care for. A little bit of the, what was that? Minty green turned up, not much. These are nice and round and pearly looking. Those look like real pearls right there, those little ones in the black. I like that. And this corner that I struggled with covering came out nice. But that's the only problem up there. Anyway, I'll let it dry, and I won't be showing this video for a while, so I'll be able to show you I'll tack on the dried results at the very end here, or maybe at the very beginning. And I'll probably try it one more time. See you then. Bye-bye.